You know, just a upload. I know everybody see what going on this Black Friday thing last night here in Jamaica. I remember the days when we used to look on to Black Friday in America and say, that will never happen here in Jamaica. But if last night was anything to go by, then we can say, alright, influencers and gatekeepers, you're doing a great job at influencing Jamaican people. But we're only noticing that the influence is only benefiting you guys. So when all our children are dying and are being raped and people crying out as loud as they can for help from you said influencers and powers that be people and authority makers and culture changers, none of you are ever available to to lend your voices to those kind of cries. But you use your influences to have Jamaicans running out into the streets like mad people to buy all goods where you don't want. Because you know, go on like a quality products, you know, they give the people them like I know some all goods we never sell from COVID time. You know, out there sell the people them. You know, turn Jamaica people in a sheep and you run where the real Jamaicans them and drive them out so you know say I be a sheep you know have boy. But where the real Jamaican them where you know say you know no sheep, you know have to take out stand up and say you know no sheep, you know. Because the objective is to turn everybody down here in a sheep, you know. Jamaicans just turn consumers to buy all goods to carry home. But you know the Jamaican people, I never this God keep it together for. And you know want to silence the voices, them we see it clear. But it not gonna work still because the sun still shine every day, you know. And we give thanks to the spirit of Bob Marley them. Because this is what they saw. When I said they want the people to be consumers, we see it clear. We see consumers you know, they don't want to turn Jamaican people, you know. It was never about them development and family values and getting them family together and uniting. I never that you know want. Lightning.